direct criminal case to be registered against the sub-inspector and the policeman who have behaved. That doesn't mean you will escape. Does that mean you ransack the police station?
It was not ransacked.
Then
it was just throwing away the papers.
I have seen the photographs, I have seen the video. The criminal case should be registered. Service records, everything should be entered. The criminal case is registered at the behest of the court. No promotion will be given to her. She is sub-inspector, she will retire as sub-inspector. That is why, sir, investigation will go on against everybody. This is a classic case where everything is digitized. Everything is seen. Petitioner, what she has done. The police, what they have done.
I have seen the videos, and Lordship may direct
Formal
registration,
inquiry.
maybe even beyond that also. But this FIR has to continue. I have seen the action of
FIR. If the petitioner has misbehaved, proceedings will go on. That doesn't mean that police can misbehave.
That's, I'm going one extent, but your Lordship may direct registration of FIR also. I have seen that she has kicked the lady in a boot call under CCTV. Your Lordship can direct whatever your Lordship takes a decision. But this petition has to survive, my Lord, because what she has done in the police station is also not accepted.
Correct. In the sense, investigation will go on. ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವೇ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾನೂನು. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಸಾಕಿರೋದೇನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Without any reason 2 hours they have.
ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಾ?
No man.
ಮತ್ತೆ 2 hours ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಾ? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ?
10:30 man.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 12 AM.
No man.
11 PM.
ಆಯ್ತು, 11 PM.
And
were you in a proper state?
12:30 he called for 100.
Aitu, all that was fine. That doesn't mean you can ransack the police station. You have ransacked the police station. The sub-inspector has hit you in boots. So I will direct criminal case to be registered against the sub-inspector and the policeman who have behaved. That doesn't mean you will escape.
Charge sheet has been filed after 11 months from the date.
No problems.
Without
no
any
problem. With all that, you cannot behave the way you have behaved, being an advocate, that too, and they cannot behave the way they have behaved. I will direct criminal case to be registered against the policeman and investigation or charge sheet agide idu.
FIR, my lord. I have lost my job also, my
What to do, sir?
In fact, the language used by the petitioner for the atrocious, I have heard the languages also.
Your Lordship.
I am not saying that your Lordship direct registration of FIR against my police officer, no problem.
Your Lordship, I am made to wait there
What
for
she's
2
done is
hours.
not correct.
Huh?
I am made to wait there for 2 hours.
So what,
there is
sir?
no lady staff over there. On
So
top of
what?
that,
Why did you
Lordship.
ransack the police station?
they were passing on comments and
No, does that mean you ransack the police station?
it was not ransacked.
Then
it was just throwing away the papers.
I have seen the photographs. I have seen the video. Why did you ransack the police
A
station?
lady undergoing that kind of a torment at the midnight.
That's all right, sir. You can't do what you have done. The policemen can't do what they have done. Criminal case will be registered against them. What is registered against you will continue.
After 2 hours, they referred me to the law and order station at BTM.
Yes,
Again, I
sir.
go there, and from there I'm referred back here.
No
and later
problems.
after that, when the
All
lady-
that would not mean that you throw up things in the police station. It is not your house.
Sure.
All
Your
right.
Lordship, we admit that, but
If
but
you
as a
admit,
human being,
if you admit, trial will ensue. Criminal case against
the
them
human
also
being,
will
the
ensue.
agony and the apprehension.
Agony
that
does not
created-
mean that you ransack the police station. What are you talking?
Your Lordship, it was just
Everybody in agony can do anything. Then we will take care of the police also. Criminal case will be registered against them. It's a classic case where criminal case has to be registered.
Till now, my
They can't behave the way they have behaved with you, but that doesn't mean that you can behave the way you have behaved.
Till now, my lord, the police have not traced the auto driver till now.
They will do everything now, sir. They will do complaint in it. That complaint also should be investigated.
That complaint, anyway, the auto number was not there. Anyway, they are doing
Whatever CCTV ಇರೋದು ಯಾಕೆ?
road ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
construction
ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, auto driver, whoever has done it, that also shall be taken
Yes.
note of.
Yes.
And this, who is this
So, your Lordship,
Padmavati?
that against her, criminal case can be.
Padmavati, criminal case should be registered. Service records, everything should be entered. That criminal case is registered at the behest of the court. No promotion will be given to her. She is sub-inspector, she will retire as sub-inspector.
No, I have seen, my lord, it's
Yes.
unacceptable. I have seen the videos.
And who are the other policemen involved?
Other policemen, I have say, my lord, I think they held their nerves, did not do anything. They kept quiet when this lady was creating ruckus in the police station. She blocked
Why
the
did they keep quiet? Could they not stop the lady?
male police officer. They don't wanted to interfere.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
One Muralidhar, my lord.
ಏನ್
Muralidhar is the police officer, police constable.
ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದಾರ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ, ಲೇಡಿ ತಾನೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು.
He took the petition up to the police station. He took the petition up to the police station.
She blocks the police station gate with a car.
No, car goes straight away at the gate of the police station and honking till the policemen come out. What do you think?
Your Lordship, the car was taken by the Hoysala people,
What Hoysala people?
assuring them that
That is why, sir, investigation will go on against everybody.
one more thing, Your Lordship. As you see very carefully the video footage, the petitioner has been assaulted on one particular part of the body.
Correct, sir. That is why criminal case will be registered against them.
Your Lordship.
I'm not saying they will be let free or let scot free.
No, there is no corner. Everything is captured. Video captured.
That is why this is a classic case where everything is digitized. Everything is seen. Petitioner what she has done, the police what they have done.
Yes, Your Lordship, my direct my lord will register.
Register a criminal case against the lady who has hit her. The petitioner is before the court calling in question proceedings in CC 1292 of 2026 registered for offences punishable under Section 121(1), 132, 351(2) and 351(3) of the BNS. The petitioner, the night of a particular date, i.e. 24 to intervening night between 23 to 2025 and 24.
23 to
23
25.
On the night of 23 to 2025, the incident of road rage takes place. The road rage is with a squabble between the petitioner and an auto driver. The driver of the auto in the night where there were no lights is said to have overtaken the petitioner's car, stopped it, and threw stones of certain size, which led to the breakage of the window glass of the car of the petitioner. Alleging that the moment the incident happens, the petitioner is said to have driven the car and parked it in front of the police station and sought to register a complaint. The police, as they are known for their WONT, did not register the complaint immediately. It took 2 hours for them to register the complaint. The petitioner appears to have become exasperated and ransacked the police station by pulling down the papers on the table of the police station and all other material. On this incident, the sub-inspector 1 Padmavati, the police sub-inspector 1 Padmavati at the Madiwala police station, who was on night patrol, comes and boots the petitioner. The booting of the petitioner is captured in the CCTV of the police station. The CCTV of the police station does capture 2 things. One, the incidents that the action of the petitioner in ransacking the police station, and the action of the police sub-inspector 1 Padmavati booting the petitioner. Therefore, the act of the petitioner cannot be condoned by staying further proceedings, nor the act of the police sub-inspector who has booted the petitioner. There is no crime registered against the police sub-inspector by the petitioner, but the CCTV footage is clear that the police sub-inspector Padmavati has indulged in kicking the petitioner on all parts of the body without any rhyme or reason, merely because certain papers are pulled down from the table of the police station down by the petitioner. Therefore, it is a fit case where the police sub-inspector who has indulged in such an act must be brought to books, not by a mere warning of a departmental inquiry, but by registration of a crime and conduct of investigation against the said police sub-inspector. The action be taken against the police sub-inspector and the registration of crime be reported to this court by the next date, including the conduct of investigation. List the matter on 5th June for further hearing.
Much obliged.